Do you know there's an International Men's Day? Which is today, 19th of November. From ages, men have been looked upon as the financial providers and protectors to the families, and they have been living up to it. But you'll be shocked to know that 90% of the men feel lack of support and lack of being nurtured by their partners. And the main reason being that they are not able to freely express their emotions and feelings with anyone around them. Out of the total suicidal cases in India, 70% are men, which is 97,000 cases every year. And this stress and pressure adds on to their health. And according to a research, it was found that the men have far more number of stress-related issues such as cardiac arrest, heart diseases, and diabetes. You must have seen campaigns about breast cancer, but there are far more number of men suffering from prostate cancer. So if we are looking for a thriving society for ourselves and for our future generations, it is very important to understand that men also have a need to love, compassion, and share whatever is going on inside them. So today, if you are a man, be open to sharing with your loved ones. And if you're a woman, give that listening ear to your partner, your brother, or your male friend without judging them. So to all the men out there, just know that we are there to listen to you, and without you, life would be really boring. Happy Men's Day!